Hey, what's up people out there, how are you? Well guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can use what absorb in and abound in, right? So in this video I will teach you how you can properly use where it requires, not like you can use it anywhere. Well, as per the requirement we do the things, isn't it? Right, so let's start. Absorbed in. Let me change the color. Absorbed in, right? Absorbed is the word which follow the preposition in only. In only, apart from in. If any of other preposition is coming instead of this in, that is absolutely wrong, like off, from, this, that, do, whatever is coming, right? So what is the meaning of absorbed in? या चलो हिंदी में बताता हूँ. If I can tell you the meaning of I will tell you the meaning of it in English as well, but I think if I will tell you the Hindi meaning of it, then you can able to understand in a more decent, lucid, in a more understandable way, right? Absorbed in means होता है डूबा हुआ, जैसे एक बार मैं अपना खुद का एग्जांपल देता हूँ. क्या हुआ था, एक बार मैं एक नावल पढ़ रहा था और मुझे वो नावल इतना फैसिनेटिंग लगा कि मैं उस दिन मेरे घर में 3-4 गेस्ट आए थे. वो कब आए, वो कब चले गए, आई डोंट नो. फिर मैं जब रूम में गया तो मैं मम्मी बोली कुछ काम वाम तो करना है नहीं, मतलब कुछ हेल्प तो कराते हो नहीं, है ना? तो मैं बोला क्या, कैसा है? अरे ऐसे ऐसे गेस्ट आए थे. रियली? So that is what I was so absorbed in my studies that I didn't give a darn what if somebody came in my home and this or that kind of things happened. So that is the best example I can give you, absorbed in. Suppose तुम फुटबॉल खेल रहे हो या क्रिकेट खेल रहे हो या अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड से बातें कर रहे हो, तो उसमें तो absorbed in हो जा रहा है, मतलब कि तुम्हें पता ही नहीं चल रहा है कि whatever the things happening around you. Getting my point? So I was so absorbed in my studies that I was so unaware what is happening around me, right? Got it? Abound in. Abound in or with. Let me tell you something. Abound is a word who follow the preposition in as well with. Apart from in or with, if any other preposition is coming, that is absolutely wrong, right? Even 90% cases we use abound on with in, abound with in, not with, right? Getting a point? 90% cases में हम abound in का ही यूज़ करते हैं, बहुत कम ही यूज़ abound with का होता है, right? But both are equally right. We will use as per the situation, as per the requirement. Getting my point? यार abound in का मतलब होता है भरा हुआ, अगर मैं कहता हूँ बकेट पानी से भरा हुआ है, so water abound in, right? Getting? Because the bucket is abound in or with water. So कुछ भी like समुद्र पानी से भरा हुआ है, river is abound in or with water. समझ रहे हो ना? Getting my point. Like this reason abound in or with oil. It's not like you will use in or with together. No, एक साथ यूज नहीं करना है. एक मिनट. Either you will use in or with. It's not like you will use together. No. Not do this mistake, right? Either you will use abound in or abound with. Getting my point, right? So I hope you got it, guys. So abound in means to be filled with, yaar. To be filled with something. To be filled with something, or contain a very less amount of something, right? It's not what only liquid, it's solid stuff. If I will say the bucket is abound with or abound in what? Rocks. बाल्टी रॉक से भरा हुआ. So this is also, guys, like I hope you got it, right? Even after watching this video you are finding any difficulty, you can comment down below. I love to resolve it, right? So guys, have a great day. Take care of yourself and don't forget to subscribe this channel, share this video and like this video, right? Have a great day.